Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new 2026 GR Corolla manual transmission in the Core package. Starting off at the front here, we've got our air vents on the hood, our LED headlights, more air vents in the front here for aerodynamics, our GR badge on the front. Coming along to the side, we've got our 18-inch alloy wheels with our GR brake calipers there, more aerodynamics there and there, another GR badge as well, blind spot detection on both sides, and our GR4 badging there, or embossment I should say. Coming along to the back, we've got our backup camera, our GR Corolla badging, and our triple exhaust. Under the hood of the GR Corolla, we get a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine delivering 300 horsepower and 295 foot-pounds of torque, delivered by a 6-speed manual transmission. Coming along to the interior here, we've got leather and suede seating. All of our window controls and child locks there. Our all-weather mats for those pesky Albertan winters. Our heated steering wheel there. And there's that leather and suede accenting on our front heated seats. Manual seat controls there. Got our GR push-button start. Nice little GR animation there on our gauge cluster. Got all of our audio assists on this side and driving assists on that side. We also get this infotainment screen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with a backup cam. Heated front seats and our wireless charger there. Our manual transmission, our traction control, different gear selection modes, and all of our cabin lighting controls up there. Coming along to the back, we get a ton of cargo space, our USB-C charging port, as well as our 12-volt adapter. Leather and suede seats back here as well, with fold-down cup holders in the middle, as well as 2 more cup holders in the door pockets. And coming along to the back, we have a cargo cover there, as well as our summer mats and our front license plate holder. And that has been the 2026 Toyota GR Corolla Core manual transmission. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.